Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And listen, this is going to be really fun. So while you guys watch this skincare routine, and this one I've done very thoroughly, so this includes a lot of steps which are great. But while you watch that, let me tell you a very scary plus like a fun short horror story. So you know what happened, Iqbal? So I was very small. I was a baby. I'm still a baby, but like whatever. So my grandma was just like cuddling me on her lap. So मेरे को गोद में लेके बैठी थी. And out of nowhere, she felt like it's very gloomy or it's about to rain. Right? She felt like कि धूप चली गई है, बाहर बारिश होगी, तूफान आएगा, something she felt. So उन्होंने मेरे को नीचे लटाया बेड पे. नीचे फेंका नहीं मुझे बेड पे लटाया. And then she's like, let me go check. So she went to check outside, and as she sees, it's not at all gloomy. बिल्कुल भी बारिश होने के आसार नहीं है. It was like so bright and sunshiny and everything. And she's like, oh, that was weird. What was that about? तो उन्हें बहुत वियर्ड लगा कि बारिश वारिश भी नहीं हो रही है, मैं वापस जाती हूँ. सो शी कम्स बैक, वो वापस आके मुझे देखती है, तो मैं बेड पे वैसे ही हूँ, तो वो मुझे वापस से अपनी गोद में लेके बैठ गई. एंड देन शी फाइनली नोटिस दैट आई एम नॉट ओपनिंग माई आईज. मैं अपनी आंखें नहीं खोल रही हूँ, मैं कुछ बोल बोल लूँगी तो कैसे ही मैं, बट बच्चे रोते हैं, सो मैं रो भी नहीं रही हूँ. एंड मेरे माउथ से फोम आ रहा है बाहर. सो देन शी इज फ्रीकिंग आउट बिकॉज दिस इज़ नॉट नॉर्मल. अभी 5 मिनट भी नहीं, 2 मिनट पहले मैं कंप्लीटली फाइन थी. आई वॉज कंप्लीटली ऑल राइट. एंड देन नाउ ऑल ऑफ अ सडन माई माउथ इज फोमिंग. एंड देन मैं आंखें नहीं खोल रही हूँ, मैं रो भी नहीं रही हूँ, मैं कुछ कर नहीं रही हूँ. So she got truly panicked, and then my mom was not there. My mom was, I think, cooking or something. Then she shouts and then she's screaming for my mom to come. And my mom finally comes, and because of course, calm is more important. Then she comes and then she's like, what happened? And then my grandma is like finally telling her that no, Tithi is not opening her eyes, or like she's उसके मुंह से foam आ रहा है. Then my mom is panicking as well because this is crazy. So they are both panicking now together and then I'm just there. उसके बाद there was this auntie, तो वो हमारे पड़ोस में रहती थी. And the auntie, I was like really close to her because she बचपन में, you know, it's a thing that बच्चे के साथ सबको रहना होता है, तो she used to take me a lot. She came and she was Bengali, and now I do not want any stereotype about Bengalis. I've lived in Bengal for like 8 9 years, and that is honestly one of the best places I've lived in. The sweetest people. And she just like takes me, and then वो मेरे को जोर से पकड़ के she just started like chanting some mantras, I guess. And then I'm just there. I'm like, I mean, I don't know anything, but everybody is like crying and everything. And then she's like, उन्होंने मुझे कुछ लगाया भी, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, I don't really remember, जो भगवान के पास होता है राख जैसा. She applied that all over my forehead. She kept chanting those mantras and everything. And trust me, I woke up. Like my mouth stopped foaming. I started crying. I opened my eyes, and everybody was like, "Okay, finally." Obviously, it was very, everybody got relieved. And then we're just like, oh god. And that was such a scary incident. But then, because also if you think about it, I was fine 2 minutes ago. So ऐसे 2 मिनट में कुछ मेडिकल तो हो नहीं सकता है. अगर हुआ भी तो वो मंत्रा से उससे कैसे चला गया, राइट? इट शुड हैव बीन, इट शुड हैव बीन वर्स. So that just makes me believe कि there are some, scary things or paranormal or like bhutiya cheezein which does exist. So I don't really know. I don't really believe in this completely. But you guys let me know, like if तुम्हारे साथ भी कभी ऐसा incident हुआ है, or if you genuinely believe in it because of some reasons, I am requesting you to please comment. I really want to know, and I want to like just kind of like go through your comments and just like read about it because it is so interesting to me, just like different people and the experiences. And that's it, guys. That was the story. It was a very short story, and you see, I'm just continuing with my skincare. I've recently started doing the skincare and it's working well for me. But yeah, I mean, it does work well. And as well as तुम्हें दिख नहीं रहा होगा, but मुझे ना बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लैकहेड की प्रॉब्लम है, like वीडियो में भी नहीं दिख रहा होगा. But and I feel like this particular skincare routine has been working well for me because I can already see थोड़ा reduction in my pores and my blackheads. So that's a great thing, guys. As well as we also reached 130 subs, which just makes me so happy. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Also, I was thinking that I'm gonna post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So I'm gonna post videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So long form videos. And for shorts, I'm gonna post like every single day or like every other day. That's whatever works. And that's it, guys. Also, I already told you guys about the challenge that I'm gonna do, about the Momo challenge, that I'm gonna have like 100 मोमो, so like one momo. And now तो अभी मैं गई नहीं हूँ, मैंने वो शूट नहीं किया है. We have 130 subs, so I'm gonna have 130 momos. And let's see if I can do that. I hope so, because I'm not a loser, I'm a winner. And I think I'm almost done with my skincare, you guys. Before I end this video, I really do want to say something though. And that I've already said at the end of the video. So do not skip this video. Please watch. The end is very important. If you do not watch the end, then there is no point, of watching the entire video.
Hey
And
guys, so I'm done with my skincare video. I'm gonna post it. But listen, just look at something first, okay? Just look at this pimple I have here and a lot of texture. This pimple and a lot of texture. And then here I have a pimple, a lot of texture. And this is my skin on a random day, right? It's like on a normal day. So ऐसा नहीं होता है कि my skin is always flawless or my skin is always bad. It's like there, whatever, right? Because that's skin, that's normal human skin. So by doing this, what I'm trying to say is, I don't even do the skincare every day. I do it once in a while when I feel like, oh shit, my products are getting expired. So it's not for my skin. It's just to make me feel good, and that is how it should be. You can do whatever you want. You can do like a 10 step skincare routine, or you can do like a barely a 2-step skincare routine. Any of them are fine if it works for you and if it's making you feel good. Please do you. Skin are perfect, everything is nice. Acne, breakout pimples, that's just normal. Nobody's skin is just like flawless, and if it is, then well, good for you. But my skin is not flawless. I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't have flawless skin, and that is perfectly fine. So I just wanted to show appreciation for all of you guys, and that's it, guys. I was also thinking of doing this really fun thing. So see, my entire YouTube content is based on being a yapper, right? Like I literally, that's what I opened the YouTube for, like just to yap and like just talk about random shit. So I was thinking I'll do this really fun episode thingy. So for example, on Wednesdays, I'm gonna have this yap session Wednesday. Tell me if you have any such, unique names planned for that or something. And I'm gonna just yap about everything that happened in my week, or like a little bit of personal details thrown here and there, like about my college life, friendships, if dating, whatever. But yeah, I was thinking of doing this really fun things just to interact as well. But that's it. I'm gonna end the video here, you guys.